Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I thought it would be super fun to do a glitter inspired smoky eye, just a different take on it. When I think of New Year's, I think of just glitter and sparkle and just the heavy makeup. So this look was actually inspired by iluvsarahii. She did a collaboration with Dose of Colors and she did this tutorial on her YouTube channel and absolutely fell in love, had to try it. So I hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget that everything I use will be in the description box below. So if you're interested, go ahead and keep watching. Don't mind these bags. Oh my gosh, my son is 4 months old now and he's going through the 4-month sleep regression. I'm just gonna go ahead and dive in. I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids. Make sure you check the description box because everything that I'm using today will be listed down there. I'm gonna start by taking the Butter Bronzer for my crease color. Don't forget, you can always use bronzers for the crease color, just for your everyday look. It's super, super easy, and it just gives you some dimension. I'm putting this color into the crease and just kind of sweeping it out. The palette I'll be using today is the iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors. I'll be taking this shade on the Morphe R39 in the crease. It's okay to get the color on the lid because we're going to be covering it up with some black. With the first brush I used, I'm gonna go and just blend it again. When I got this palette in the mail, this turquoise color was broken, and then now this black is just falling apart, but it has this glitter in it. Let's see. And it is the coolest glitter I've ever seen. It's all these different dimension colors, gorgeous. Next, I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and what I'm gonna do is just run this at the bottom. And this is gonna be my black base before I go in with the eyeshadow. And that's as high up as I'm gonna go. My mother-in-law got me this set. It's actually by Paris Hilton. It is the all over lid brush, and I really, really enjoy the shape of this. And with that lid brush, I am just going to start blending that out. After that's blended out for the most part, I'm gonna go in with this black right here with that same brush. You'll see a lot of fallout with this, and that's with any blacks. So I recommend patting, but also just do your eyeshadow first. I always recommend doing that because you can always clean it up. You don't want to redo your face makeup. This is a Wet n Wild blending brush. It's not labeled or anything. And I'm just going to soften these edges, being very careful. And I'm going to start bringing it out to smoke it out. You can keep it rounded. With my eye shape, I just like to bring it out just a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe R39 in that reddish brown shade, and then back in with nothing on this first brush that I used, and just going on top of everything. It looks crazy now, but once you put your face makeup on and the eyelashes, I think you'll really like it. Next, I'm gonna use this NYX glitter glue, and I'm just gonna put some on my hand here. So with that glue, I'm going to take a flat synthetic brush and just pat in sections. So we'll start on the outside. This is also by NYX. It's a black glitter. I thought it was gorgeous. And I poured some of that glitter into the lid, and I'm actually going to take a different brush and just use this one for glitter. It's another flat synthetic brush. It's not labeled. I don't even know who it's by, to be honest. We're just going to start patting. Taking more glue and being a little more precise with where I'm placing the glue. And you know what? You could stop there, but I'm not going to. I am obsessed with glitter. I'm gonna go even further. I'm gonna take the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Diamond Dust. I'm just gonna wipe that on the tip of the brush. We're just gonna pat that on, and I'm just gonna focus this on the center. I just think it needs that. It just is so cool. I'm using some lashes that kind of sweep out, and I think that's gonna be really flattering for this eye look. I think if you had anything too heavy kind of in the middle or in a corner, it kind of defeats the purpose of the look. I'm gonna go ahead and glue these on, and I'll be right back. All right, and so I have my eyelashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. This is dirty, oh my God. And with a pencil brush, I'm gonna take this shimmery silvery color. All right, so the eye look is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup, and I'll come back for the highlight and the lips. All right, the face is done. So next we're gonna go with highlighter. Now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. So first I'm gonna go in with the Versali Jelly Beam, this crazy highlighter. It's the wiggly one, like, but I want a wet base so the highlights really just stand out. I'm just gonna take the tip of my Beauty Blender and just a touch of it and pat it in. On the Morphe Y14, I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, and this is the most pigmented, blinding highlight I've ever used. It feels dry to the touch, but man, packs a punch. I think I'm gonna go in with the white and the pinkish. I'm trying to say silvery today, but we'll see how this goes. I look like a glazed donut. I love it, but it's, you know, it can be too much. But I like the glittery effect, so I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm just on the high points. I almost forgot doing my under eyes, so that's really important. I'm gonna go in with that one of those pencil brushes I used, and we're gonna take this dark reddish cranberry color. I'm using this color first before I go in with the black. So with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with a matte black from a different palette. And I'm only gonna go about halfway. Still wanna keep your eyes open as much as you can. I'm gonna go into my waterline with the Jumbo Eye Pencil. I almost always forget this stuff. I don't know what it is about it. I just always forget. And with that same inner corner highlight brush, I'm gonna go into the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette and take that white, and I want it to be really bright. So for lips, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop lip liner in the shade Toy and just line my lips. And if you're going out for drinks, going to party, drink champagne, just go ahead and line all of your lips. And then next I'm gonna go in with a matte. This is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippy, and this is in the shade Midnight Snack. Now that the lipstick is all dry, I'm going to add a gloss. This is the Fenty Diamond Balm. Absolutely love this lip gloss. This applicator is huge. This is actually one of the little sample sizes. If I ever run out of this, which I've never run out of lip gloss, but I would definitely purchase another one. This look definitely got me out of my comfort zone. So let me know if y'all like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and let me know if y'all want to see more tutorials from me. I am definitely not a makeup artist by any means. I am just self-taught. I taught myself how to do this yesterday. I hope y'all have a great New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and let's start this 2019. I'm excited. So y'all stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Gosh, my hair is a freaking mess. Like I'm gonna be wearing crop tops out. Girl.